In the asphalt maintenance industry, it's important to select the best accessories for your seal coating equipment. Our number one choice is the Sealcoating Wand Wizard. The Wand Wizard allows you to spray seal coat while protecting all of your edges with one-man operation. This prevents you from getting any seal coat on any unwanted surfaces. Very important you don't spray garage doors, curbing, flagstone walkways, etc. And it also saves you manpower and labor costs, meaning that you don't need an extra person to hold a board to protect all the edges. Number two is the filter kit. The filter kit is an extremely important accessory to make sure that you don't get any unwanted chunks or clogging at your spray tip. You don't want your spray pattern to be spitting out in a bunch of different ways, creating a messy application. And you also don't want to experience any downtime by having to constantly clean out your tip as it's blocked. The third accessory that we recommend is the hose reel. The hose reel allows you to keep your hose in a nice, neat, tidy fashion on your hose reel, rather than a big bird's nest of hoses that are in the back of your truck that could end up getting damaged or kinked, meaning that you could spring a leak in your sealer hose, spraying sealer all over the place. You also don't want it getting caught up in equipment and so on. Hope these best accessories for your seal coating equipment helps you advance your business quickly.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.